Hey there and welcome to Tech Nerds. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of installing 7 Days to Die using an emulator. If you are excited to experience this survival game on your computer, you are in the right place. So let's get started. First, you will need to download an Android emulator. We recommend using popular emulators like BlueStacks or Nox Player. Head to your official website and download the emulator of your choice. To download an Android emulator, go to the official website of BlueStacks and then click download. Once the emulator installer is downloaded, run it and follow the on-screen instructions to install the emulator on your computer. In the emulator, you will find a virtual Android environment. Go to the Google Play Store, sign in with your Google account, or create one if you don't have it. Here, I have already logged in into my account. Use the Google Play Store search feature to look for 7 Days to Die. Find the game in the search results and click to install it. Click the install button and the game will start downloading and installing within the emulator. Once the installation is complete, you can launch 7 Days to Die from the emulator's app drawer or home screen, just like an Android device. And that's it. You have successfully installed 7 Days to Die using an emulator on your computer. Now you can enjoy the game without the need for a dedicated Android device. Emulators provide a great way to play Android games on your PC, and they work well for many other games as well, including 7 Days to Die. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gaming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.